Today we're learning the Jerusalema dance because you requested it. Now I'm gonna break this up into 3 super easy sections, and I promise by the end of it you will have it. All right, let's get started with the very first section. I'm gonna turn around here to make sure I'm on the same leg as you. Okay, this dance starts on the left. I repeat, this dance starts on the left. Okay, so you're gonna take your left leg and you're gonna tap it 4 times just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then from here, I'm gonna bring my left leg back, switch to the right leg, tap 4 times as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so again, starting with the left leg, we tap 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we switch, hop, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's gonna be a whole count of 8, okay? Now the in-between, that little hop, I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, ball change, 6, 7, 8. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, we said left, 2, 3, 4, and a right, 6, 7, 8. Okay, try that with me straight through with the counts. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? Good. And that's just a simple switch there. Now, the groove you have with it is all up to you. If you want to tap more on the ball of your foot like this, or more flat, that's all up to you. But the little style, like you can just groove with it. You could be chill with it. And even on that hop, you can just switch and pop your foot in front. You don't need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and hop. You don't need to do that. You can just go 1, 2, 3, 4, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, in your hands, all up to you. In the video, the original video, you see them holding food. I wish I had some food right now. All right, so that's the very first section, okay? The second section, you're gonna be taking your legs after you went 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. This is where you're gonna do the hop, skip, or the ball change, okay? You're gonna do it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, so that right leg is in front. You just finished that 4 steps on the right. Then you're gonna go right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right. Yes, 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 kind of, sort of. One more time. Let's connect it from the top so you can feel that transition. 5, 6, 7, section 1, 2, 3, 4, switch. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go to section 2, the start of it. You're gonna ball change. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now that right there, you can also have your feet going on the heels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give it a little bit more hop, or keep it chill. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, to finish off section 2, I'm gonna take my right leg, is gonna go back. There's 2 ways I see people do this. You can either do the ball change where you go right, left, right, left, right, and take those 4 steps to the front, or you can take that right leg and hit it back. Boom, just hit it back with a little hit, step, step, step. I personally switch between it, going back and forth, but for today we're gonna do the ball change, okay? So we go, from here, we finish those steps from section 1, we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, do the same step to move forward, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop there, okay? One more time so you can really get that transition. From the ball change here, we said ball change 1, ball change 2, ball change 3, ball change 4. Then we ball change 5. That left leg leads forward. Then I go right 6, left 7, right 8. All right, let's connect section 1 and 2 together to make sure you have that, and then we'll go on to the last part. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we go to section 2. Switch it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ball change, walk forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now, moving on to section 3. This one now, when you do the ball change to go forward, left, right, you're going to turn towards your left shoulder. Step on this left leg for your 1. 1. Then we go back towards you. I'm going to go 2, 3, 4, 5 with that right leg. What did I just do? One more time. So we finish this ball change here to go forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. Take my left leg, turning towards that left shoulder to step on that 1. Then I step with the left again to go 2. Then right leg 3, 4. Then the right leg goes 5. Yes? And then from here, after that 5, I'm going to step back on that right leg to go 6, 7, 8. Yes, yes, yes? One more time. Here we go. From the ball change, we said right leg's in front, we ball change. Right, left, 6, 7, 8. Tap 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat the dance. That actually brings us to the end of the dance, yes? But let me do that last section one more time to make sure you have it, then we'll connect it from the top. Here we go. From the ball change, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, 6, 7, 8. Tap left, step left, 3, 4. Step right, back right, 7, 8. Repeat from the top. And now you're facing your new wall, all right? Let's connect everything super slow from the very top to make sure you have it, and then we'll do it all together. Okay? Here we go. 5, 6, starting with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch right. 6, 7, 8. Section 2. Ball change 1, 2, 3, 4. Ball change, walk forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. Tap left, 1. Tap 2, 3, 4. Tap right, 5. Back, 6, 7, 8. Left leg goes in front. Repeat the dance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got that? All right, let's go through it straight through. And we're not going to stop. Let's keep this little tempo here, okay? 5, 6, 5, 6. Left leg goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right leg. 6, 7, 8. Switch it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ball change. 6, 7, 8. Tap 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap 5, 6. Repeat the dance. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch it up. 2, 3, 4. Ball change. 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Back 5, 6. Your back's to me. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch it up. 2, 3, 4, and switch. 6, 7, 8. Face the wall. 2, 3, 4. Back it up. 6. You're almost there again. 2, 3, 4. Switch it right. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ball change. 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Back it up. 6, 7, 8. Yes? That's the full dance. You got it. If you got that, you have it. You can go to any function, any party, and do it, all right? But now, I want you to add your own flavor to it. So we're going to do it one more time, but I want you to add your own sauce to it, okay? So different ways again, adding that groove. Boom, ba, 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 boom, ba, 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 boom, ba, 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 hey, boom, ba, 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 ba. Have fun with it, yes? Express yourself as much as you want or as little as you want. I feel like the people that watch this video, you like to express yourself, all right? So let's do it one more time with a little bit more expression. We're just gonna do one wall just so you can feel it out, okay? 5, 6, here we go. 5, 6, left leg go. Boom, ta, 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 right leg, ta, ta. Switch it up, boom, ba, 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 hey, boom, ba, 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 boom, ba, 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 boom, ba, ba. One more time. And you thought I was gonna keep going, eh? That's it, you have the dance. Thank you guys so much for being here. Now, try with the music right over here, or learn another dance right over here, all right? Peace out until next time, and keep telling me what dances you wanna learn. Hoo!